I've been reviewing PocketGuard throughout 2025, and while it offers a solid set of budgeting tools, there are a few important things to know before deciding if it's the right app for you. PocketGuard is designed to help you manage your money by tracking spending, organizing bills, and setting financial goals. It connects with over 18,000 financial institutions, giving you a full view of your accounts in one place. One of its standout features is the In My Pocket calculation, which automatically shows you how much spending money you have left after covering bills, savings goals, and basic expenses. The app comes in both free and premium versions. The free plan allows you to link up to 2 financial accounts and create a few spending categories. If you want unlimited account connections, custom spending categories, subscription tracking, and debt payoff planning, you'll need PocketGuard Plus, which costs $12.99 per month or $74.99 per year. There are occasional lifetime membership offers that can save you money in the long run. Recent updates have made the app even better, adding features like rollover budgeting, transaction filtering, and better integration with services like Apple Card and Apple Cash. These upgrades have made managing finances more flexible and detailed for users who want tighter control over their budgets. However, the free version can feel limited if you have multiple accounts or need more in-depth budgeting categories. And while PocketGuard is great for everyday budgeting, it doesn't offer investment tracking or credit score monitoring, which some competing apps include. If you're looking for a simple, intuitive way to manage your day-to-day finances and keep spending in check, PocketGuard is a strong option. But if you need a full-service financial app that covers investments and credit, you might want to consider other alternatives. If this review helped you figure out whether PocketGuard is the right budgeting app for you, make sure to like the video, share it with someone exploring money management tools, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.